Growing up, my dad was my hero. You know, I wanted to be just like him. And there was just one thing that I never understood why he didn't teach me: how to shave. So if you're a young man who's barely learning how to shave or doesn't know how to shave, or if you're a parent and you want to prepare your kids for life, then keep on watching because this video is for you. A hot towel. Hot towels are gonna be opening your pores. This is very important. Growing up, my dad was my hero. You know, I wanted to be just like him. And there was just one thing that I never understood why he didn't teach me: how to shave. And taught me a lot of things, you know, while he was here. It was like very traumatic for me not to know how to shave, because I did have to walk around, you know, high school with that little Band-Aid. But it is what it is, right? It was looking like Nelly for a little while. First things first, stretch your skin, right? So with the grain, and after we finish, we'll go against the grain. And make sure you're having a good shave gel, y'all, because if you're not, it's gonna dry up quick and you're gonna have irritation. This Filoso shave gel is oil-based. It's a jojoba oil-based, meaning it's not gonna dry up like quick at all. I can see it now. He ain't even got nothing to shave. Well, what is this? You know what I mean? So anyways, go back into the tutorial. So now that we established that I'm some kind of man, yeah, keep pulling your skin, guys. I need a little help with my pinky, so that's what I do. All right, remember, pull your skin. Making duck lips helps. Like myself, like I had my dad, he just got deported when I was really young, back to Mexico. I was 12 when it happened, so it would have been real dope to have somebody teach me this. And that's why I make these YouTube videos. I just want to inspire and help people. And look at that, a gang of hair. I mean, at least for me. Whether you have a lot of hair or no hair like me, you still have to shave like this. Okay, so pull that skin and don't go around telling people I told you to make duck lips when you shave, even though I literally did. That's personal. Go with the grain and then go against the grain. That is a basic concept of shaving. All right, guys, after we're done shaving, one thing that everyone must need is a cold towel. First, we needed to go ahead and open the pores. Now we go ahead and close the pores. This is gonna help you. If you did cut yourself, it's gonna help. Feels so good too, but it's gonna help repair that skin a lot faster. If you don't wanna look like the Grinch, make sure you are following these steps, guys. We're almost done, all right? That was a cold towel. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab some type of aftershave to go ahead and tighten our skin now, right? Close our pores and tighten our skin and prevent any ingrown hairs. And this is Filoso aftershave. It's not that spicy. 1 out of 10, probably like a 3. And I'm not just saying that, I promise. I promise. I want you to look at that, yo. I'm back in business, baby. If you're that parent again, make sure you show your kids this video and stick around for the next videos, because I'm gonna show you guys other different stuff that my dad just wasn't around here to show me how to do. So if you enjoyed it, please make sure you guys go ahead and leave a comment and tell me what is some things that you wish your pops was around to show you, or that you want me to go ahead and show you. It'd be dope. I appreciate it, y'all. Much love. See you guys in the next video. And if you guys want to support us, link in the description below. Remember, ponte filoso.